This is a unboxing of a big package for a small item. Inside is a car USB thingy. You'll see. This is a pretty big box. It took like 10 days for it to arrive through UPS SurePost. So here on the side, UPS SurePost. But anyways, opening the box reveals this packaging stuff with the packing list behind it. And then inside is a bag, a fries bag. It was very excessive. And so, again, this is a pretty big box. And this little USB charger thing only cost 99 cents, and it was with free shipping. Car USB charger. It says DC car charger single port 1 amp black. So this cost me 99 cents. And this bag in this huge box, I really wonder how much shipping costs for this alone. So I think the people at Fry's were trying to play a practical joke or something.